Hey folks,
This is Maw.
this is Paul.
We're on the swing.
Morning to you. It's about 8:30 this morning. And we thought we'd come to you with another little video of Mom giving the ducks and chickens and goats a little treat from off her big high deck here.
Yes.
And also, last little while I've been building a fence, putting a goat fence up around about an acre or so. And yesterday we took a drone video of finished product there, and thought we'd share it with you, and thought you'd like to see it. So hope that you enjoy that.
Yeah, it's been a real beautiful morning this morning.
Oh yeah. Well, listen.
I got up at the crack of dawn.
Crack of dawn.
Well, before that, actually.
On with the video. And Maw doing her morning chore.
Feeding my ducks.
Feeding
And
the
the chickens.
feeding the brats.
Yes. And the Anatolian shepherds. Would you believe they like this corn? They love the corn of the morning.
Comes out to throw a little bit of corn to the goats, and
The boys wag their tail and they wait for me to throw. Even though they're used to it.
they want Maw to
They
throw.
want me to throw it. There you go, boys. There's your corn.
Yeah, this is Maw. Go ahead, Maw. Throw some over to
Good
her.
morning. Good morning. I know I have a little jacket on because I'm colder natured. But I think it is only about 40-some degrees out here. So,
Strike two. Everybody gets their treat in the morning. This is not their daily feeding. This is just a treat.
oh, this is just a treat. They live off this ground. Except the boys, they got their own feed barrel.
Yeah, feed bin. Yep.
Feed bins, yep.
Yep.
They need a barrel.
And we got the guinea chasing the rooster.
Yep.
Rooster was messing with that little black hen, and the guinea said, nah. And we got 3 Sebastopol geese down there.
Mama and babies.
And he wants some corn too, I guess.
Yeah, she'll come out and make the corn. Yeah, she'll come up and get the corn.
Alright. She had 6, but she's down to 4 now. She's had 4 for about the last 2 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
And
She's a very good mother.
oh yeah, just try to go over and get one of them, little one. And there's a squirrel in the tree down there.
I really think the reason she lost some is because whenever anyone goes to bother them, she attacks, and that leaves it open for someone to run in and get one.
Oh.
They're very spry. Look at them.
Yeah.
Precious.
Come on, guys, corn's over here. Little banty rooster.
Yeah, he's something else. He's the boss.
Mm-hmm.
This is actually his son right here. This little rooster right here belongs to him.
Closest one?
Right here, picking.
Yeah. Closest one's the
Yeah.
son.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Going over to Dad. Dad
Yep.
calling
Look,
him
and there's
over.
Mom.
Mm-hmm.
That's Mom, Dad, and the son.
No fighting, boys. He actually barked at the goat because the goat was getting the last piece of corn. These two Anatolian Shepherds are brothers from the same litter. Yeah. Yeah, you sound so mean. Mm-hmm. Rawr. Boys. Hey. Boys. Boys. Hugo. Hugo. Cut it out. Well, we hope you enjoyed that little aerial view of our bottom acreage there and the goat fence we put in.
Mhm.
So, Maw said she was up to crack of dawn, and I wasn't too far after that.
Yeah. But we have a lot of things to get done today, don't we,
A
honey?
lot of things get
Yeah.
done.
Yeah. Thank the Lord he woke me up and give me another day.
Give you another.
Surely want to thank him for that.
That's right. You gonna do some more apples today?
I'm not sure what I might get into today. I have a little bit of things I need to get done now. But I don't know.
Oh, we got a lot of stuff. to do.
Yeah, got a lot of stuff to do.
Yeah.
But anyhow, we thought we'd drop by this morning and tell you all that we appreciate every last one of them comments, and and it's been good you've been sharing with your friends, and we did get some more subscribers.
Yeah. Well, we put this on Facebook, and
Mhm.
one of our viewers said we need to have a YouTube channel.
Mhm.
The thing is, we do have a YouTube
Yeah.
channel. It's called Maw and Paw on the Swing,
Mm-hmm.
and
Imagine that.
get on there. Get
Maw
on there
Paw
and
on the Swing.
subscribe. We could use the subscribers.
Mm-hmm.
I think we need like 300 more subscribers and several more views before we
Mhm.
can monetize.
Right.
So get on there, subscribe, like the videos. That
Mhm.
helps a tremendous amount.
Right.
Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified.
Yes, and share us with your friends. But you know what, honey?
What?
If we don't get enough on there, it don't matter. Because I really just enjoy sitting here and chatting with all the people out there and seeing how everybody's doing. But, it's good for us.
Don't want you discouraging them.
No, I'm not discouraging them.
We still need the subscribers
We do
so that
need
they
'em.
can get the new videos. when
I
we
know.
put 'em up.
Yes.
How's that sound?
Yeah, that's good.
All right. But anyway, this is Paul.
This is Maw
We're on the
on the swing. God bless you all.
God bless you.
Have a great day.
Amen.